Hey, what's up, guys? This is RJ here. So, guys, welcome to my channel, RJ Pandy. You know, in this video, I'm going to explain you what you're going to get in the 15 days online business challenge. Um, for anyone who wants to start a profitable online business but doesn't know where to start, so that's what I'm going to tell you guys what you are going to get it. So here's our business partner Dave Sharp, and he's the beast, and he explained it's very nice way how you are going to uh, high ticket commission about the. So let's check it out, guys. Get your business set up and ready for your first high ticket customer in the 15 days. This space looks like that. So each day I will cover the next step to the starting your high ticket freelance digital marketing business. So day one what you are going to learn. So day one is like a secret to starting the scaling high ticket business. Day two, code for high ticket business models online. Watch me build a business in under 30 minutes. That's the good thing. Like you can build your business in 30 minutes. How to the master inner game of wealth, fifth day is the big day, developing your business plans. And 6 days got your question. You have anything you can ask him, and when should I quit my job? They're gonna tell you this one also. And build my business full time. What are the high income skills and why do you need them? So this is all the copywriting. 11, there's sales and presenting, where, when, where to outsource. OPM to build your business. 4 ways to avoid syndromes, your first sale and journey of your success. So 15 days training, you're going to learn a lot of things. So is everything you've been missing and kept for the getting results? So let's see what you're gonna get. This is the bonus, is like a customized high ticket business plans. You'll get the business plans in the $7. I'm talking about everything in $7. Okay. So Facebook ads templates, this is most of things are ready for you. Just you have to jump in and grab it. High ticket email templates. So email templates is like we need that of in affiliate marketing to send the emails, and that's how we're gonna get sales. High ticket video scripts, like how we are going to talk, what to talk. If somebody calls you and they want to talk with you, and the phone scripts. And the good thing is that there is someone to talk also. One-on-one call. There's the 15 advisor. You can talk to them literally and they will answer you whatever you have the questions. And this is like you can copy literally affiliate marketing funnel. So that is all over is like $3,576. But what, guess what you are getting in um, only $7. So that's a good thing about that. And guess what, like this is all you can read it why uh, they have it. This is things. And after that, let me remove the risk free full 30 days refund guarantees also. So if somehow if you are not satisfied with this training, you can ask them your $7 and we will refund back you, because we are not going to become a millionaire with your $7. So this is all the value you are getting in the $7. So and this is also, this is not a get quick rich program. Okay, so it's don't feel like that like you'll become a millionaire or billionaire in like this day. So go for the 15 days training. I will highly recommend you guys. If you guys need any help, I'm here to help you. And comment down below, and I'm going to put the link down below, so you'll have access to this 15 days training with the $7. Okay, thank you guys. If you guys like it, just hit the like button and please subscribe my channel, so in the future you'll not miss out. I'm going to make it all the videos like so you'll not miss out anything. Thank you, and have a good day, guys. So yeah.